Today I'm going to teach you how to make toy bin labels with vinyl and a Cricut machine. This is a quick, easy, and effective way to label everything in your play space. For this project, you'll need any Cricut machine, compatible vinyl, transfer tape, and some basic tools such as a scraper and a weeder. Starting in Cricut Design Space, I'm going to make a template for my label. I'm going to make a 3-inch black square. Then I'm going to head into the Design Space library and find icon-style images for my labels. I'm going to resize them to fit into my 3-inch square and recolor them to be white vinyl. I'm going to continue adding icons to make my label designs. When you're specifically looking for images for a playroom, try to choose solid, single-color graphics that are easily identifiable. Once you have all your labels designed, go ahead and click the green Make It button. Choose either on a mat or without a mat, depending on which machine you're using, and ensure your layout and vinyl colors all look correct before proceeding. Go ahead and choose the correct vinyl type for your machine to start cutting. I'm going to be using a Cricut Joy for this project. To start, I'm going to load some white smart vinyl into my machine and let it cut those icon playroom labels. Following the on-screen prompts, I'm next going to load some black smart vinyl to cut out the black backgrounds. Whenever I am weeding and layering vinyl, I like to put the vinyl onto a sticky mat. This keeps my vinyl unrolled and flat, making it easy to weed. Once you have your designs completely weeded, it's time to layer the icon label onto the background label. Again, I like to place the vinyl onto my mat to keep everything flat. Place a piece of transfer tape over the first icon image and rub vigorously with a scraper. If you can't get the transfer tape to easily pick up your design, you might want to flip it over and rub from the back. Eventually though, the vinyl label should come off on the transfer tape. Then you can place it onto your label background and rub again. Peel up the transfer tape to reveal your first label ready to go. Let's repeat the process with the remaining labels. Once the vinyl pictures are ready to go, it's time to move them to our toy bin containers. I'm going to cut another piece of transfer tape that fits my bigger label shape. Just like before, I'm going to peel off the paper backing and place it onto the square label and rub vigorously. However, instead of peeling it right up, I'm going to cut this label apart first. Then I can peel off only half of the paper backing, as shown. Then use the exposed vinyl area to find the right placement on your container. Once you have the vinyl label down in place, then you can go ahead and remove the rest of the paper backing. Continue to rub vigorously over the top of the transfer tape, then peel away to reveal a perfectly applied vinyl label to your toy bin. This same technique can be used for any container, any size, any shape. Enjoy labeling all the toys in your playroom.